It's back to school season and I've got a sandwich that your kiddos are gonna love. This is my Chopped Smoked Salmon Sandwich, and it is so much fun to make, but more importantly, delicious. The base of our sandwich is Norwegian Atlantic Smoked Salmon by Mowi. Let's open that up, place it directly on the cutting board, and start piling up the rest of the ingredients. Whipped cream cheese, capers, some sliced red onions, cucumber, fresh or dried dill. I'm gonna put half an avocado in there too, sprinkle some lemon juice on top, and here's where the fun begins. Grab a couple of knives, one is fine, but I got two here, and chop away. Really getting into that. And you wanna chop and scrape until it all comes together. Now grab a soft sandwich roll that you can cut in half, load it up, and of course, let's not forget some everything bagel seasoning for this. And take a look at this sandwich. Your kids are gonna be the envy of the class when they show up with this Chopped Smoked Salmon Sandwich, guaranteed.